This is an appeal to the Prime Minister, Imran Khan. Last night, my house was raided by policemen as if I was the biggest drug mafia don in Lahore with guns. They took away my husband and they told him that there's an FIR on him. They did an FIR on him, arrested him without a lawyer. They didn't let a lawyer even come. 12:30 at night, nobody was up. We tried calling, so nobody was up. They did this in the middle of the night. Why? And the way they were rude to us, they wouldn't listen. They kept saying to us, to me, that you are culprits. Why? We're the ones who are suffering. We're the ones whose tests are coming anytime positive. My entire family. And we are the ones who are culprits. And we're the ones who need to be arrested by you guys. Really? Is this the system that we have in Punjab?